I'm getting distracted so much. Hello, your friend is back. नाम तो याद ही होगा. So today's video's topic is how to avoid distraction while studying. I'll suggest you some ways. So here, first, make a to-do list. Second, keep the phone away from you. Third, be punctual. Fourth, sit in a quiet place. Fifth, keep away all the toys. Sixth, arrange your things and keep it in a proper place. Seventh, wear headphones while taking the class. So you know how to avoid distraction while studies. So you will also do this. So take care and bye-bye.